Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a course on Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard. So just go ahead and select the website that you want to add a online course. So from here, what we're going to do is that we're going to the Wix website editor. So just click edit site right here, and the website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So for example, if you want to add or create an online course right here in Wix, what we need to do first is that we need to add the application for it. So from here, just go to add apps and then type in here online programs. Since this is the application that we are going to use. So select this one, the Wix online program. So this is the built-in application for Wix so that you can create courses. So just click add to site. Then from here, sometimes there will be an issue adding the app. So let's just try again. And then let's wait for it to be added to the Wix website. So it will automatically create a page for the Wix online program. So as you can see, we have the program list and then the notifications. Then now we have different courses right here. So in order to edit or modify the programs right here, what you can do is that you can just click manage programs and then it will automatically open the dashboard right here. And then you can set up your online course, or you can just go back to the dashboard right here and then reload, and then we should see the option appear right here, which is the online programs. So from here, just go to this, go to programs, and then you can now go ahead and create your own course right here. So it's either you can create one using Wix AI or you can just create one manually. So I'll just create one manually. So just click create new, and then you can create from scratch or you can start using a template. So I will start using a template right here, and then you can go ahead and choose a specific template that is similar to the course that you want to create. So for example, I'll say like this one, the 10 best exercise to do at home. I can click edit, and then you can now set up your course right here. You can set the price, the payment methods, the program page. You can upgrade your Wix plan right here so that you can accept customers or participants, and then you can go ahead and publish your program. So for example, let's set a price. So this will be a public course, and then it's either you can choose the course to be free or you can have a payment for it. So for example, for the payment, you can either choose a one-time payment or you can include like a pricing plan. So I'll include a one-time payment right here. So I'll say 50. And then you can also connect pricing plans right here if you want your course to be like a monthly payment, for example. So let's go back, and then you need to turn on the Wix plans right here if you want to have a pricing plan. So I'll just go ahead for now. So I'll just use the one-time payment. Then from here, you can choose if you want your course to be for the public or for private or to be a secret so that you can only invite specific people to your course. So I'll just put public right here, and then you can also choose if you want to have a limited number of participants. So for example, if I choose limited, and let's say I only want 10 people to be in my course. So you can do that as well. But I'll just choose unlimited. So click save. So now that we have our price, we can go ahead and edit the other settings right here. So let's go to the overview, and then let's go to the program page. So go to editor. So from here, the Wix pricing plans is also automatically added. And then we'll just wait for this to finish. Now that it's finished, let's go right here to our program pages and then go to the program list. So from here, we can go ahead and customize the program page if you want, but I'll just use this page right here as it is. And then we can click manage programs again. And then from here, we can go to our course that we are creating earlier. And then if you want to edit the content, you can just click content right here so that you can go to the content tab, and then you can go ahead and edit all of the content right here. So for example, you have the workout one, so it's already created since this is a template. So I'll say I want to edit this. Well, let's edit the name. So let's say workout one, beginner exercises. Click save, and then you can go ahead and edit all of the other content from here. And then you can also insert your instructions and so on and so forth. And then you can see the participants in here when you already published the program. And then you can see some other settings right here, like for the schedule, the time limit, the payment and enrollment, content settings, and then instructors. Then for the engagement right here, you can have some rewards and then some communication with your customers. And then once you're done with everything, you can just go ahead and publish your course so that it will appear on your Wix website. Just click publish, and then now it says right here that you have already published your course, which is the 10 best exercises to do at home. If you want to change the name of your course, you can just go right here to settings again, click edit so that you can go ahead and change the program name and then the description. So I'll say like the workout program for beginners. So for example, so click save, and then this should reflect on your course right here in Wix. And then we should now see our course right here appear on our Wix website, which is the workout program for beginners. Then click preview. Then we should see our course right here. So view details, then we can see everything right here. And then if I click join, that will lead to the payment methods. And then that's basically it. So that is how we can create a course in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.